As we go through life, you get a lot of stains inside your cars. Things like spilled coffee, soda pop, the greasy oil off French fries or hamburgers. If you got kids, who knows what kind of stains. And of course, pets bring their own kind of elements into your car. So what you want is something that's powerful, but it's also safe on every surface. Pinnacle Natural Brilliance Citrus Splash All-Purpose Cleaner is a concentrate that you can dilute from 1 to 10 to 1 to 30. 1 to 10 would be for severe dirt stains that you really need to get cleaned out, grimy stuff. 1 to 30 would just be for light cleaning, day in and day out, normal traffic and wear and tear. And the best thing about this is it's safe on any surface, leather, vinyl, plastic, glass, upholstery, you name it, you can clean it with this citrus-based product. And citrus oil is so good at dissolving everything that you want to clean out of your car, yet it's safe. And as a benefit, it even smells like fresh oranges. Using Citrus Splash All-Purpose Cleaner is really easy, but it starts with mixing the proper dilution. Here at Autogeek, we do sell these bottles that have pre-marked dilution levels on the bottle itself, and it makes it really easy to get the correct dilution the first time and every time. Now, I'm going to go ahead and use a 30-to-1 dilution for all-purpose cleaning, so it's real gentle cleaning. But you can pick and choose whatever dilution you need to clean the surfaces you're dealing with. And it starts by pouring in the concentrate to the dilution level you want, and then add water all the way up to the 36-ounce mark right here at the top of the bottle, and that'll give you the proper dilution for your cleaning project. While this product is safe on every surface, here's a professional tip. Anytime you're using a new product, always test for color fastness in an inconspicuous area first. Now, to use this product, it's as simple as spraying onto the surface you want to clean and then giving a good solid wipe with a clean microfiber towel. For stubborn stains and things like grease or oil, agitate with a brush first and then wipe off the residue. You're going to love the strength, the versatility, and the safety of Citrus Splash All-Purpose Cleaner and the smell. To get your own bottle, go to Autogeek.com. For more videos like these and how-tos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.